here, this is the start of the game. You can see that everybody is working really hard. They're typing in front of the computers, and they're all doing basically the same work, repetitive. And now you have to do your work. Start working, click the keyboard. You can see that no other options is viable. So just click it. So there's an instruction saying choose the right answer for the following questions. Wrong answers will get minus 30 seconds. Timer goes to 0, get minus. So you can use your cursor to click on it, and this is a timer. The click is like the magnetic button on the Google Cardboard. And if you choose an answer to this question at random, what is the chance you'll be correct? See, you can choose one of those 4. If you click the wrong answer, the buzzer will beat, and the buzzer sound will play, and the timer goes down by 30. Try B? No. It's a tricky question, by the way. It's like you have to really think it through to get the answer you think is right. Well, all of them are wrong. So let's try that again. You can see the light is dimmer. It's normal in the editor. It will go back to like the normal ones in the Android phone. And here, like, let's try C. No, it's wrong. Or D, still wrong. It seems like none of them is true. It's like neither of them is right. It's this type of question is like none of them can be right, basically. So you are given a meaningless task and you can't figure out what to do. Then time start counting down, and actually the way to beat it is to just quit it. And you can see the door is interactable now after you hit the quit button. So head to the door. Everybody's still working. And you can see your world turns to gray and white rather than the colorful one before. Yes, it could be like the reason is that you get frustrated, you can't get your work done, and you got a lot of stress in your head, and then the world turned to gray and white. And now you are in the wild nature, in the forest. And then there's a type of flower in front of you. If you click on it, you can gather it, and your world will turn back to normal a little bit. And if you look down, you can walk. So your job is to find all the other flowers basically scattered in here. Oh, there's one. Let's get it. Okay, it turned back to normal a little bit. Here, you see it's almost normal. Go up here. Here's a lot. Oh, let's see. You had to go back here to get up. Now all the flowers at the end will guide you to the beautiful scenery here. And you can see the bird is flying, a beautiful sunrise with trees and mountain stones. So basically this reminds you that you need to get back to the nature if you got too much stress in your head. And yeah, the purpose of this VR project is to remind you that work rest balance, like your life can not only be working and eating. You get a lot of stress in your life, and you have to release them by going to nature, interact with like flowers, gathering some flowers, interact with the nature, do some outdoor activities, and keep mental healthy. Yeah. So now I'll show you I'll show you a small display of the Android VR version here. So basically, you can see that wait, it is it's now looking cardboard. I'll just unplug it. You can see that this is your head, this cursor, and you can choose the keyboard just like before. And then there's the instructions. Next goes to gray and dark, and after quit it, you can go to the door like before. Everybody's working. It's basically the same as the computer version, not the computer version, the Unity editor view. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Thanks for viewing it.